Hello, everyone. Did you know that the world produces more than 85 million tons of oranges every year? And more than 60 million tons of them become the bottled orange juice we love? But have you ever wondered how these refreshing drops of orange juice are made? Today, join me in exploring deep inside an orange juice factory in the US, where millions of liters of orange juice are produced every day. To find out how it all happens from the orange tree on the farm to the final product on the supermarket shelf. Currently, orange growing is one of the most developed agricultural industries in the world, with Brazil being the leading orange producer, followed by India, China, and the US. The process of growing oranges requires careful cultivation and management techniques because environmental factors have a great influence on the quality of the fruit. From the shape, size, color, to the acid and sugar content, all can change depending on the growing environment. Sweet oranges originated in southeastern China and were spread around the world along trade routes centuries ago. Today, the largest orange growing areas are in temperate climates. For successful orange growing, optimal conditions are needed: well-drained soil, an altitude of 500 to 1,000 meters above sea level, and an ideal temperature of around 24 degrees Celsius. The soil must be well-drained and have a balanced pH. Sunlight is also essential, especially during flowering and fruiting. Oranges can be propagated by two methods: by seed or by grafting. When planted, orange trees can take up to 7 years to bear fruit. However, when grafted, the time is reduced to about 3 years after planting. After flowering, oranges typically take 6 to 14 months to ripen and can be harvested 2 to 3 months before they are overripe to ensure the best quality. To determine when to harvest, oranges undergo tests for sweetness and juiciness. Oranges do not continue to ripen after picking, so they are harvested when they have reached their optimum sweetness and quality. On large farms where millions of oranges ripen simultaneously, harvesting needs to be quick and efficient. To achieve this, farms use a branch shaker, a high-tech device designed to shake the branches of trees. The branch shaker is capable of harvesting up to 2,000 kilograms of oranges per minute, significantly speeding up the harvesting process in large-scale orchards. Although this machinery is a significant investment, it is highly efficient in harvesting. However, on many farms, oranges are still picked by hand to ensure fruit quality. Hundreds of workers are employed to ensure that the ripe oranges are carefully selected. Once picked, the oranges are placed in large canvas bags and unloaded into bins, a method that minimizes damage to the fruit during the harvest. After harvesting, the oranges are transferred to the orange juice processing plant. Here, the orange processing system operates continuously at high capacity, processing hundreds of tons of oranges per day to ensure freshness and juice quality. Once transferred to the plant, the oranges undergo a rigorous cleaning and sorting process. At the washing station, the oranges are cleaned with non-toxic soapy water and rotating nylon brushes. After cleaning, the oranges are dried and re-inspected for quality. This sorting process eliminates any fruit that does not meet standards before entering the juicing area. At the juicing area, the oranges are fed into the juicer. The juicer is designed to remove the peel and extract maximum juice. This process also filters out seeds and other unwanted components to ensure the quality of the juice is pure. The juice is then collected in a tank, where it goes through a filtration system to adjust the pulp content to the consumer's preference. The juice continues to go through a sterilization process to ensure food safety. The juice is then cooled and ready for packaging. To produce 1 liter of orange juice, about 13 to 15 oranges are needed. This process helps retain the natural flavor and nutrients of the orange juice, ensuring that every drop is rich and nutritious. Before packaging, the orange juice undergoes rigorous quality checks for sweetness, acidity, pulp content, and taste. These checks ensure that each batch meets the highest standards. Once the quality requirements are met, the orange juice is transferred to an automated packaging line, where cartons or plastic containers are filled, sealed, and cooled immediately to maintain freshness. After packaging, the orange juice is transported to supermarkets nationwide in refrigerated trucks to preserve its quality. This rapid cooling step helps to maintain the flavor and nutrition of the orange juice, so that when it reaches the consumer, the orange juice is still at its optimal quality. From the time the oranges are harvested until the orange juice reaches the supermarket shelf, each stage is optimized so that consumers can enjoy the highest quality product. This production process not only helps the orange juice retain its fresh taste, but also preserves its nutritional value. Orange juice contains vitamins A and C, which help boost the immune system and fight chronic diseases, thanks to its antioxidant properties. So we have explored together the magical journey of oranges, from when they are still on the tree until they become the delicious bottles of orange juice you see on the supermarket shelves. This production process is not only a perfect combination of advanced technology and the efforts of farmers, but also a testament to the dedication to quality and health of consumers. If you love this video and want to discover more interesting things about the food production process, don't hesitate to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to update the latest content. Please share your opinions in the comments section. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.